Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 versus the C300. We will explore their key differences to help you decide which luxury sedan best fits your lifestyle. The CLA 250 is known for its sleek, coupe-like styling and agile handling, while the C300 offers a more traditional, spacious, and refined luxury experience. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, both vehicles offer spirited driving. The CLA 250 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering about 221 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The C300, while also featuring a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, typically produces a bit more power, around 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This gives the C300 a slight edge in acceleration and overall responsiveness. Inside, both Mercedes-Benz models boast luxurious cabins, but with different philosophies. The CLA 250 features a modern, tech-rich interior with dual 10.25-inch displays and turbine-look air vents, appealing to a younger audience. The C300 offers a more classic, spacious, and refined environment, often with genuine wood trim and a larger central display. The CLA 250 typically has a lower starting price, making it a more accessible entry into the Mercedes-Benz luxury lineup. So, which one is better for you? The CLA 250 is ideal for those seeking a stylish, compact luxury car with a sporty feel and a more approachable price. It's perfect for urban driving and individuals who prioritize design. The C300, on the other hand, caters to those desiring a more traditional, comfortable, and powerful luxury sedan with a bit more interior space and refinement. Ultimately, your choice depends on your personal preferences and priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.